Hey, fellow mathers, you're here because you know that math is figure-outable. It's not about memorizing or mimicking, it's about mathing, real mathing. We're running our next Math is Figure-Outable challenge soon and hope to see you there.
Yeah, it's 3 1-hour sessions packed with high quality professional development, and it's completely free. Mark your calendar for August 26th through 28th at 7 p.m. Central. That's 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Mountain, and 5 p. Did I say 5?
6 p.m. Mountain.
6 p.m. Mountain and 5 p.m. Pacific. And watch this space to find out when registration opens.
Y'all want to register even if you can't join us live, so you can get the links to the recorded sessions. Ready for today's episode? Let's get to it.
We can totally.
Hey, fellow mathers. Welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
This episode is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
This Wednesday, our math problem was 1.75 times 16. How would you solve this problem? Pause the podcast, solve it however you'd like, and then come back to hear about our strategies. The problem is 1.75 times 16.
All right, Kim, you're up. Go.
Okay, so I want to think about 1.75 as 1 3/4.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to say 1/16 is 16 and 3/4 of 16 is 12. So 16 and 12 is 28.
Nice. Because you know 3/4 of 16.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think about 3/4 of 16? Or do you just know it? Like, do you think of 1/4 of 16 and find three of them?
No, I think I just know it.
You've
but
done
I don't. I
well,
mean, I might think about fourths. I might
4/4.
I might think about 4. I might think about 4. Because 16 is 4 fours to me.
Mm-hmm,
So then 3 fours is 12.
And so you could find 3 1/4s,
Yeah.
3/4. You could also back up 4 from 16 to get to 12.
It'd be a backup if I was
Okay, cool.
slowing down. Yeah.
You stole mine, so I'm gonna do something different.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna double 1.75.
Mm-hmm.
And I got to be honest, in the moment, I actually have to double 1.5 to get 3, and then double the extra quarter. So that's 3.5, which now that I see that, I'm like, yeah, I knew that. I knew double 1.75 is 3.5. And I'm going to half 16 to get 8. I'm going to do it again. Double 3.5 to get 7, and half 8 to get 4. And 7 times 4 is 28.
Nice.
2 different ways of getting 28.
Yeah. I like it.
Nice.
How often do you think that you use double half? Is that like a favorite of yours?
It depends on the numbers.
Sure.
So I've written a lot of doubling and having strings, which means I'm looking for numbers that double nicely.
Yeah.
And double nicely means that like 3.5 turns into 7.
Yeah.
So if I see a 3.5, a 4.5, like 1.75 got me to 3.5, or a 1.25, like there's now numbers that I know that double nicely to get eventually to a nice number. Yeah. So like not any, but halves of 10. So like 5 will double to 10. 2.5 will double to 5, which will double to 10. 1.25 will double, so there's some numbers that if I can get up to 10, bam, like then you have a super sweet. So I think it really depends on the numbers.
Yeah. Cool. All right. We can't wait to see what you do every week. So join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you think about the problems. Comment on each other's strategy while you're there.
Yeah, we post these problems on Wednesdays around 7 p.m. Central Time. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. And then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. We love having you as part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement because math is figure-outable. Thank you for listening and making math more figure-outable.
Remember, we'll be opening registration for the Math is Figure-Outable Challenge soon. Mark your calendar for August 26th to 28th. You're not going to want to miss these free PD evenings where you'll experience real mathing, get quick turnaround tasks, access to classroom-ready downloads, and so much more.
And remember, if you can't make those times, registering gets you access to the recordings. Thanks for making math more figure-outable.